Need to update your Tesco Mobile app password for security or because you've forgotten it? Here's how to change or reset it. To change your password while logged in, navigate to the Account or Settings tab in the Tesco Mobile app. Then select Security and choose Change Password. You'll need to enter your current password and create a new strong password that meets the complexity requirements, at least 8 characters with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. If you've forgotten your password, tap Forgot Password on the login screen of the Tesco Mobile app. Enter your email or mobile number associated with your account, and Tesco Mobile will send you a reset link via SMS or email. As of September 2025, a quick reset feature allows resets via one-time codes sent to linked devices, offering easier access if you don't have immediate email access. You'll receive an email or SMS with a reset link, similar to this example. For additional security, you may need to verify your phone number during the reset process. Remember to always create strong, unique passwords to keep your account secure. Enhance your Tesco mobile app security by enabling two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Since April 2025, 2FA has been mandatory for new accounts and is strongly recommended for existing users. In the app settings, find the two-factor authentication section to enable it. You can choose between SMS codes, app-based authenticators like Google Authenticator, or even hardware keys for added security. Beyond 2FA, practice good password hygiene by using a unique, strong password that you don't reuse on other sites. Consider using a password manager like LastPass or Bitwarden for secure password storage. Regularly check the account activity dashboard within the app to monitor logins and changes. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for logging in, as these networks can be insecure. Remember, these steps can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access to your account.